Hi everybody, so today I will be doing a review on the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra-Longwear Foundation. That's a lot. So, hopefully I do check-ins. I'm not sure. I do say in the video that I have friends coming over. I'm going to try to do check-ins, but I'm going to show you guys the application and all that of this foundation. So if you guys want to see my review on this foundation, then just keep watching. Alright, so sitting on the ground. I'm like gonna get up a little bit though because it's hurting my back. But I wanted like the best light for this look, and when I'm sitting over there, it's not good light. So I just did this eye look, which I will be posting after this foundation review. So this foundation review is going to be going up on Monday. The eye look will go up on Wednesday, and this is using the Bad Habit Athena palette, which I did a review on. But for those of you who didn't watch the review, only $10 on hush.com, and I will link it down below. And then once I have the actual look up itself, I will link that down below as well. So I'm going to go in with what I usually do for my foundation. I always use an oil because I have extremely dry skin. The oil I'm using is vitamin E oil. This is just by Dela Cruz. You can find this, I found this at Walmart in like the vitamin aisle. And for me, it's just really good to use the oil because it just absorbs all that dryness I have. And I'm using quite a bit. Just because I feel extra dry today. I don't know what it is. And I'll just carry whatever's left down my neck. So because this foundation leaves a matte finish, I am going to be using a mattifying primer. Because I put the oil on, it probably will have a little bit of a dewy finish, but not too much because the matte primer. And today I'm using the Cover FX mattifying primer. I have used this before, and it does have like a silicone texture, which I love. Some of you guys don't. I think like with oily skin, but this one's a mattifying one, so I'm sure you'll be fine. So I'm just applying this everywhere. Some people will only apply primer to like their T-zone. But if I'm gonna put primer on, I'm gonna put it on my whole entire face. That's how I like it. Oh, I put way too much. This feels like, I mean, it's like a silicone base. That's what it feels like. Oh, there's no ingredients on here. But it's like, it feels like jelly on your face. So here we go. We're gonna actually get into the foundation. So this is a Flawless Fusion Ultra-Longwear Foundation. Ultra, not Ulta. Okay, it says Laura's longest wearing foundation. And I have never tried any of Laura Mercier, I think I'm saying that right, her foundations. I have no idea how her other ones are. Seamlessly fuses to skin with a weightless layer that looks, fits, and feels like a second skin. It feels and looks like a second, okay. Moving with your every move, skin-enhancing pigments fuse with ultra-longwear for our most modern, flawless, and that was it, modern, flawless, medium to full coverage that's naturally you, leaves a matte finish that's never dull or flat. So it says, apply to clean skin with Laura's foundation sponge. I didn't even know she had a sponge. I didn't see one over there. Or with fingertips. I'm just going to be using a beauty blender. I have seen people using this with a brush and feeling like it worked better, but I'm going to do what it says on this foundation. I am wearing a tan, so I got the color, it says 2N1 Cashew. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, I gotta clean the bottle because I just got some of my oil all over it. So it has a little, looks like a little zebra print. I don't even know if you guys could see, it's really light. And then it's like, it's a glass bottle. It's 1 fluid ounce, so like the usual amount. I believe this was $48. I will let you guys know for sure down below. I'll just link it and everything. I'm pretty sure I paid $48 though. Oh, it has a little pump. So that's convenient. Okay, so I'm just gonna pump it. Wow, that was one pump. Teeny tiny. It's actually really it feels thick, like it's not dripping down my hand. Okay, I'm gonna do 2. I might need 3. I'm gonna dot it though. I'm not gonna like, ooh, this looks light now. Maybe this was my color without tanner. I'm scared. I guess we'll find out. Oh my gosh. I need more. That was 3 pumps, you guys. These pumps are little teeny tiny pumps. I was like, oh, I'm gonna put my tanner on. This will be perfect. Because I did wear my tanner when I got color matched. Maybe she wasn't right. Whatever. If it's not, I'll just bronze it up. But on my hand and on my face, it looks way too light. Ooh. So it feels like a moussey, but when it's on your skin, it doesn't feel thick. It feels super light. So I also watched reviews where it said you gotta work fast with this. So I'm gonna blend it in with my beauty blender. I gotta have a mirror because I can't see anything. Oh yeah, this is too light. So I'm gonna have to bronze the crap out of my face. This would be good without my tanner on. But that's good because I hardly ever wear tanner anyways. Okay, I'm just blending. I'm gonna like be right back after I blend this. Okay, I think I blended everything in. Yeah, so this color is really light. I thought it was gonna be darker because she colored matched me wrong. So just close the lid. And I'm gonna like zoom in. Do you guys see my pores and everything? Okay, my baby came in, but it's just like I put a primer on and everything, and it just go under my eyes a little bit more. It doesn't look even medium. It looks light. Like you could see every freckle, you could see redness. I watched like Tati's review and Jeffree Star's review, and they made it seem like this foundation was like the best foundation ever. So yeah, if you guys see that it looks medium to full, let me know down below, because to me, I don't think so. And I feel like it's just giving me like exaggerating things on my face I didn't even know I had, so. And I did apply, you saw me, the oil and the primer. So I'm not gonna put another layer of this on because, I mean, my skin already looks so dry just from that. And it's weird to me because like I use the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation, and that stuff is full coverage. And most of the time I don't even use my oil for that one because I've been using it for like a year now. And I don't have a problem with that one, but this one, like, I use the oil and the primer and I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna put the rest of my makeup on and I'll be back. I'm putting my concealer on right now and I just want to show you guys. So the concealer I'm using is the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. I love this concealer. I've gotten like 7 of them already. It is going really good with the foundation, this concealer. It's just like blending right in, and I'm like barely having to work it in. Like it's automatically just soaking into my skin, like fusing in with the foundation. So I like that. Okay, so I got this her translucent powder as well, and I figured it should pair well with the foundation since it's the same brand. I have tried this powder one time and I hated it. I paired it with my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation, but maybe with her foundation it'll look so much better. So this is just translucent, and I'm gonna bake with it actually. And we'll see how good it looks. Because right now, I feel like there's nothing special. I feel like I can get a better foundation at the drugstore. And this thing's $48, so it's like, I want to be sure it's worth the money because that's ridiculous. And right now, I feel like it's not, there's nothing special. So I'm just putting it wherever I'm gonna bake my face. And I hardly ever bake, but I wanted to try out this powder too, because everybody's always talking about how it's their holy grail. And when I tried it, I'm like, no. Okay, so I'm gonna let that set and I'll be right back. Okay, I only let it set for a couple minutes. I don't want it to set like forever. And what I do is I blend it away where I put it, and then I'll just carry the rest of it, whatever's on my brush, down my neck, and all around the rest of my face. And this is translucent, but I feel like it made me look a lot paler. And like, if you saw the rest of my body, oh my god, I'm gonna look so pale in my face. And look at my hand. Compare my face. Whatever, I gotta bronze myself up. Okay. There is like creasing, but I usually get creases anyways. I feel like this foundation makes me look so old, and I don't feel anything special about it. So I'm gonna let it set on my face for a little bit, and I'm gonna do something else for another video, and I'll be right back with all my makeup on. Okay, so I put the rest of my skin products on, and I used the actual translucent powder, which I showed you guys that, and then I used this, the You Sculpted, which I love. I will post a link down below for that video once it's up. And I'm kind of loving the foundation now. And I don't know if it's because, you know, all the other products I put on my face, or if it's just a foundation, but I feel like right now my skin looks really, really good. And again, it could be because of all those other products. At first, I hated it. I didn't like the foundation at all, and I felt like, no. But now, like, my skin looks so good, and I feel like it oxidized, and it's not so light also. So maybe it oxidizes. I don't know. Let me know down below if you feel like I look a little bit darker. I did put contour and all that on, but not that much, so I'm pretty sure it did oxidize. But I don't know. Maybe I should do check-ins with you guys to show you guys how it looks and everything. But right now I'm kind of liking it. I'm not gonna say I love it. I might have already said that, but I like it right now because my skin looks really good. So yeah, I'll check back in with you guys later. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys what time it is. It's like 3:20. I don't have my phone with me, but I just checked, so it's 3:20. All right, you guys, I still need to fix my hair, but so it's only like been an hour, but I feel like my skin looks so good today, like better than any other day. So I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and say that I like it, but I'll try to do check-ins. I do have friends coming over, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work out, but I will try. Fingers crossed I get to do check-ins because it's only been an hour, but I don't know if it's this It Cosmetics jazz or what, but I really like it, so we'll see. All right, I'm gonna try to do check-ins. Bye, you guys. All right, so I'm here with my oldest, and I think my youngest is coming. Does it sound like she's coming? There she is. I'm just sitting on the ground. We're waiting for our friends to come over because my friends' kids, what is that, Carrot? My friends are bringing their kids too, so they're all excited.
That's my friends.
Uh-huh. So Lily, how do you think my makeup looks?
Good.
Oh my gosh, what is on my lip? How do you think my foundation, my face makeup looks?
Good.
Ew,
The
Lila.
eyeliner do look pretty.
But what about my face? Uh-oh, chew it.
I like your face too. Your face is beautiful.
Thank you. So you guys, what is that though?
I want to show them my tooth wiggling.
Oh yeah, her tooth's loose, so. Your teeth aren't loose, Layla. You're too little. Watch out, you might pull it out. So yeah, it's a little dry, but I have dry skin, and like So, I don't know. I actually like this foundation. I'm gonna say I like it. Like, I'm not gonna say I love it. It's not my favorite foundation.
I like the eyeliner on
Thank you. And this makeup look, I will post down below whenever I post it. But, yeah, I don't really think this is worth $48 though. And I'm not sure if just pairing this with the IT Cosmetics contour and highlight kit maybe made a difference to this foundation. But I do like it a lot. So I do recommend it. It's $48, but I'm gonna say it's worth it. So far I like it. If I change my mind, I will let you guys know down below. I will write in the description. Thumbs up and what? And subscribe.
Goodbye.
Subscribe. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.